A container lorry is loaded with 10,000 liters of diesel in it. Can it move if there is no diesel in its own tank? It's not that how much diesel are you carrying. It's how much diesel is there in your tank that runs your engine matters, isn't it? As I said, it's not how much knowledge that you have is important. It's the speed and accuracy at which you apply your knowledge determines your success. Friends, information and knowledge was a very rare commodity until the last decade. All of us used to scan through libraries, bookstalls, used bookstalls, and even waste paper marts for the information and books we needed. Situation is no more the same. Tons and tons of information is available at fingertips now. Knowing things is no longer enough. It's what you do with the knowledge counts. Channelizing the knowledge to achieve the target only matters. Yes, knowledge is power. Knowledge leads to enlightenment. But what one does after getting enlightened matters the most. Do you agree? I have a friend who is a budding YouTuber. As a dedicated YouTuber, he has completed the courses on graphic designing, content writing, and editing. And one day when I inquired about the progress of his channel, he very coolly says that he is looking to collaborate with a good graphic designer who can create an impressive channel logo and banner. Isn't it funny? Nowadays, knowledge is gained and accumulated, and all the information that is gained is just sitting in your mind doing nothing. We are stopping once we consume information. Friends, having a Ferrari which top speeds at 200 miles per hour is amazing. But when it is made to ferry on service lanes with traffic pouring in from all sides, the powerful engine is of no relevance. And there is no way it can compete with a small car running in the highway, isn't it? Knowledge is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must act. Do you know what are the most searched how-to questions in Google and YouTube? They are like how to lose weight, how to gain weight, how to stay focused, how to wake up early in the morning. Is it not that we already know all possible answers to the above questions? Do you believe that YouTube or Google will have any new solution to offer to these issues? It's just a psychology that mind craves for the information. And again, what one does with the information matters the most. You already know that few things will do you good. Start doing them. Yes, you even know few things are bad for you. Stop doing them. Results will be there for you to see. Knowledge is useless without consistent application. Knowledge is not power. Implementation of knowledge is power. To sum it up, ignorance will definitely lead you to failure. But the result will be no different if you have knowledge which is unutilized. Turn what you know into something of value. Friends, if you believe this content added value to your thoughts, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.